Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the exciting intersection of crypto and real estate. From tokenized property ownership to decentralized property marketplaces, we'll dive into the next big thing in property investment. Let's get started. Introduction to crypto real estate. Historically, real estate investing has been a privilege reserved for the wealthy. High minimum investment requirements, limited liquidity, and lack of transparency have made it difficult for individuals with limited resources to participate. However, the emergence of crypto and blockchain technology is revolutionizing the real estate industry. Crypto real estate platforms are leveraging blockchain technology to fractionalize property ownership, allowing individuals to invest in real estate with lower minimum investment requirements. This means that people can now invest in real estate with as little as $100, making it more accessible to a broader range of investors. Crypto real estate platforms also provide a more efficient way to invest in real estate. Traditional real estate investing often involves lengthy processes, intermediaries, and high transaction costs. In contrast, crypto real estate platforms enable fast, secure, and transparent transactions, reducing the costs and complexity associated with traditional real estate investing. By democratizing access to property investment, crypto real estate is opening up new opportunities for individuals to diversify their investment portfolios, generate passive income, and build wealth. As the crypto real estate market continues to grow, it's likely that we'll see more innovation and adoption, further expanding access to real estate investing for people around the world. Tokenized property ownership. Tokenized property ownership is a revolutionary concept that allows individuals to buy and sell fractional ownership of properties using cryptocurrencies. This means that instead of buying an entire property, you can purchase a portion of it, represented by a digital token. This token serves as proof of ownership and can be easily bought, sold, or traded on digital marketplaces. The benefits of tokenized property ownership are numerous. For one, it lowers the barriers to entry for real estate investing. Traditionally, investing in real estate requires a significant amount of capital. However, with tokenized property ownership, you can invest in real estate with much smaller amounts of money. This makes it more accessible to a wider range of people. Another benefit of tokenized property ownership is greater liquidity. Traditional real estate investments can be illiquid, meaning it can take months or even years to sell a property. However, tokenized property ownership allows you to sell your ownership stake quickly and easily, providing greater flexibility and control over your investment. Tokenized property ownership also opens up new investment opportunities. For example, you can invest in a fraction of a property in a different country or city, without having to physically manage the property. This allows you to diversify your investment portfolio and gain exposure to different markets and asset classes, all from the comfort of your own home. Decentralized property marketplaces. Decentralized property marketplaces are revolutionizing the way we buy, sell, and manage properties. These platforms utilize blockchain technology to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries like agents and brokers. This decentralized approach enables individuals to connect directly, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. On these platforms, properties are represented as digital assets, allowing for secure and transparent transactions. Smart contracts automate processes like escrow and title transfer, ensuring a seamless experience for buyers and sellers. Additionally, decentralized property marketplaces provide a global reach, enabling investors to access properties worldwide without geographical constraints. The impact of decentralized property marketplaces extends beyond sales and purchases. They also enable decentralized property management, allowing owners to manage rentals, maintenance, and other tasks through the platform. This creates a comprehensive ecosystem for property transactions and management, democratizing access to real estate investing and management. As the technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of blockchain in the real estate industry. Benefits of crypto real estate. The benefits of crypto real estate are numerous and game-changing. Firstly, increased accessibility is a significant advantage. Crypto real estate platforms provide a global marketplace, allowing investors to access properties worldwide without geographical constraints. Additionally, fractional ownership options and lower minimum investment requirements make real estate investing more inclusive and accessible to a broader range of individuals. Greater transparency and security are also hallmarks of crypto real estate. Blockchain technology ensures that all transactions are recorded publicly, providing a tamper-proof and transparent ledger. Smart contracts automate processes, reducing the risk of fraud and ensuring that terms are enforced. This increased security and transparency build trust among investors and stakeholders, creating a more reliable and efficient market. Furthermore, crypto real estate offers increased liquidity and efficiency. Traditional real estate transactions can be slow and cumbersome, but crypto real estate platforms enable fast and secure transfers. This liquidity and efficiency also enable new investment opportunities, such as tokenized property ownership and decentralized property management. Overall, crypto real estate is revolutionizing the traditional real estate market, providing a more accessible, transparent, secure, and efficient way to invest in property. Challenges and future outlook. While crypto real estate offers a promising future, there are significant challenges to overcome. One of the main hurdles is regulatory uncertainty. Governments and regulatory bodies are still figuring out how to handle crypto real estate, and lack of clear guidelines and frameworks creates uncertainty and risk for investors. This ambiguity can make it difficult for platforms to operate and for investors to navigate the space. Market volatility is another significant challenge facing crypto real estate. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly, and this volatility can impact the value of tokenized properties. This risk can be daunting for investors, especially those new to the crypto space. Additionally, the lack of fundamental value metrics for crypto real estate assets can make it difficult to assess their true value. Despite these challenges, the future outlook for crypto real estate is promising. As regulatory frameworks evolve and market maturity increases, the space is likely to become more stable and attractive to investors. The potential for crypto real estate to democratize access to property investment and create new investment opportunities is significant. With continued innovation and adoption, crypto real estate could become a major disruptor in the traditional real estate industry. However, addressing the challenges facing crypto real estate will require collaboration between industry stakeholders, regulators, and investors. By working together, we can create a more robust and sustainable crypto real estate market that realizes its full potential. This includes developing clear regulations, improving market infrastructure, and educating investors about the opportunities and risks in this space. Thanks for joining us on this journey into crypto real estate. As the space continues to evolve, we'll be here to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto content.